Check it out. I just posted about 9 YouTube cyber channels that can replace a cybersecurity degree, and it absolutely went crazy. And if you're trying to learn cybersecurity but don't know where to start, you're probably drowning in the noise of millions of mediocre content. What I've learned in my 20-year career in the cybersecurity industry is that people who advance the fastest aren't necessarily the ones with the most expensive degrees. They're the ones who know where to find the best education and actually put it to work. So in the next 15 minutes or so, I'm going to break down these 9 YouTube channels and tell you exactly what makes each one special, give you a roadmap on how you can use them to strategically accelerate your cybersecurity career. And remember, the links to all these channels are down in the description below. So let's dive in. Number 1, Professor Messer. If you're serious about building a cybersecurity career, this is where you start your foundation. Professor Messer has been providing free, high-quality IT certification training for years, the CompTIA A+, Net+, Sec+. His content's better than a lot of paid training programs, and it's completely free. And what sets Professor Messer apart is the quality and organization of his contents. These aren't just random videos thrown together. They're complete courses with study groups, practice exams, ongoing support. It's like having access to a premium training academy without paying a dime. And here's why this matters for your career. CompTIA certs are still considered a gold standard, the Sec Plus one specifically, for entry-level cybersecurity positions. HR use it as a screening mechanism, that Sec Plus one. As far as Net Plus and A Plus, I wouldn't recommend you go get those particular certs, but the knowledge that is tied to those certifications is incredibly valuable. As I mentioned in my other video about 7 free skills that are absolutely critical for successful GRC analysts. Go check that video out too. But certification training costs thousands of dollars. Professor Messer gives you the same quality education for free, and the only thing you pay for is the cert exam if you go take it. So if you're trying to break into cyber and you need those foundational certs, or you just need to learn IT fundamentals or security fundamentals or networking fundamentals, start with Professor Messer. His content will prepare you for your career, and it gives you credibility if you do go on to get that Sec Plus with HR department. So super valuable. Channel 2, Network Chuck. Now, once you got your foundational knowledge from Professor Messer, Chuck makes everything fun and practical. His incredible ability to take complex networking and cybersecurity concepts and make them actually exciting to learn is his talent. And I'm talking about topics that put most people to sleep, like subnetting or VPNs, networking protocols, etc. He makes you want to build your own lab immediately. It's very engaging content. It's incredibly well produced as well. And his approach isn't that he just explains the concepts theoretically like a teacher. He actually knows how to do things, right? Or he shows you how to like set up a home lab. He'll walk you through step by step. So if you want to understand how hackers might use a Raspberry Pi, he'll show you in a hands-on video. The channel is perfect for taking that foundational knowledge and then making it practical. Chuck assumes you're smart, but doesn't assume you know everything, and he builds your confidence while building your skills. And why that matters for your career is because employers want people who actually do things, not just recite definitions. I can't emphasize enough, practical skills is definitely wicked important. Chuck's content gives you that hands-on experience that makes everything else easier to understand. After you've built your foundation with Professor Messer, Network Chuck will show you how to put that knowledge to work. Channel number 3, I love this guy, John Hammond. Once you're comfortable with the basics, John Hammond will teach you how cybersecurity experts actually think through complex problems. Now, John specializes in CTF challenges, malware analysis, and exploit development, and breaking news too. This might sound advanced, but here's why it's valuable even if you're not planning to become a malware analyst. Watching John work through problems teaches you critical thinking skills that apply everywhere in cybersecurity. How do you approach an unknown problem? How do you find research and test hypotheses? How do you document your findings? These are the skills that separate junior analysts from senior analysts in any cyber role. And whether you're investigating a security incident, analyzing suspicious network traffic, or trying to understand a new vulnerability, you need a methodical problem-solving approach. Plus, John is a wicked good teacher. He explains his thought processes as he works, so you're not just watching someone solve problems, you're learning how to think like him. So if you want to develop that expert level analytical mindset that makes you incredibly valuable, John's content is gold. He does a lot of shared screen, kind of like over the shoulder type content too. So you can see exactly what he's typing, exactly what he's getting, follow along step by step. It's just, he's phenomenal. I really, really do love John. Now, channel number 4, Simply Cyber. Okay, Shameless plug, right, for my own YouTube channel, but hear me out why it's essential for your career strategy. Most cybersecurity channels focus exclusively on technical content, which is valuable, like how to hack, how to configure firewalls, how to analyze malware, how to set up cloud. But very few channels teach you how to actually build a career in cybersecurity. And that's what we do at Simply Cyber. We give you the career roadmap that others aren't really talking about. How do you get your first cybersecurity job with no experience? How do you transition from IT into cyber? How do you go from the military into cyber? How do you advance from like an analyst to a manager or a CISO, right? We cover those soft skills, the business skills, the communication skills that actually determine your success in the field. Because the reality is knowing how to use Nmap won't get you promoted. Knowing how to communicate risk to executives will. Plus, I love GRC and I love talking about GRC, and not a lot of channels are doing that. We have a huge community over on Discord for Simply Cyber, so it's like a living, breathing, thriving community, not just a YouTube channel with 260,000 subs. And we're supporting each other all along the way. The networking alone is worth subscribing. So yes, I'm wicked biased, but if you want to understand not just the technical side, but the career strategy side of cybersecurity, this is where you get that guidance. Channel number 5, Cyber Mentor. Now, Heath Adams is the cyber mentor, and if you want to understand the offensive side of cybersecurity, Heath is your guy. Here's what sets Heath apart. He teaches ethical hacking the right way. He's not just showing you cool tricks. He's teaching you methodology, documentation, and how to think like a professional pen tester, which he is. Heath's courses on web application pen testing, Linux, and Python for hackers are some of the best content available, paid or free. But what I really respect about Heath is his emphasis on ethics and responsible disclosure. This matters because offensive security skills are incredibly valuable in the job market, but only if you learn them properly. Employers want penetration testers who follow methodology, document their work professionally, and understand the legal and ethical boundaries of what they're doing. And Heath teaches all of that. His content will prepare you for actual penetration testing roles, not just playing around in a lab at home. And if you're thinking about getting into bug bounty or penetration testing, start with Heath's methodology videos. They'll save you years of learning things the hard way. Channel number 6, Live Overflow. This channel is all about understanding the why behind cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Most cybersecurity training teaches you what vulnerabilities are and how to find them. Live Overflow teaches you why they exist in the first place. Binary exploitation, web security, reversing, but explained in a way that helps you understand the fundamental concepts. This is crucial because cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New vulnerabilities, new attack techniques, new technologies. And if you memorize just specific exploits, you're going to be behind the curve. But if you understand the underlying principles, how memory works, how web applications process input, how encryption can be broken, then you can adapt to new threats as they emerge. Live Overflow gives you that deep understanding. It's not always easy content, right? Some of it can be quite technical, but it will make you much stronger cybersecurity professional in the long run. The channel is perfect for people who want to understand cybersecurity at a fundamental level, not just learn surface level techniques. Channel 7, Hackersploit. Hackersploit is awesome. If you're looking for comprehensive structured cybersecurity training that's completely free, then this is it. Hackersploit focuses on practical attack and defense strategies with virtual labs and real world scenarios. And what I love about this channel is the systematic approach. They don't just throw random techniques at you. They build comprehensive skill sets. Alexi's penetration content is particularly strong as well. He'll take you through the entire methodology from recon to post-exploitation using real lab environments that you can follow along with. And this is important because penetration testing isn't just about knowing individual tools. It's about understanding the entire process. How do you scope for an engagement? How do you document findings? How do you present results to clients? Hackersploit covers it all. And his content is structured like a formal training program. He's definitely a great structured educator, and it's perfect for self-directed learning. So if you're serious about developing penetration testing skills, network hacking, you want a structured curriculum to follow, Hackersploit provides this roadmap. It's the bee's knees. Channel number 8, David Bombal. If you want to build a rock-solid foundation in networking with a focus on automation and security, David is your instructor. Now, his content covers networking fundamentals, Cisco technologies, and Python programming for network security. And this combination is incredibly powerful because modern cybersecurity is heavily automated. And what I like about David's content and approach is that he shows you how to networking and cybersecurity intersect in the real world. How do you automate security tasks? How do you use Python to analyze network traffic? How do you secure network infrastructure? He's got you covered, okay? This is the future of cybersecurity. Professionals who understand both networking and how to automate security processes, especially with AI coming up. Automation's going to be gigantic. Organizations are looking for people who can build scalable security solutions, not just respond to alerts manually. David's content gives you both the networking depth and the automation skills that make you incredibly valuable in the job market. His content's really well produced as well. So if you're interested in network security, security automation, or just want to understand how modern networks actually work and watch high quality produced content, David's channel is essential. Channel number 9, Black Hills Information Security. Now, Black Hills Information Security is great if you want to see how cybersecurity actually works in the real world. This is your window into professional security operations. Now, I love Black Hills Information Security. Their channel does have a lot of different type of content, including like up-to-date threat intelligence, practical skills, training sessions. It's awesome. They provide incredible insights into both offensive and defensive security operations. And what makes them special is the candid real-world perspectives that they bring. Their webcasts cover live hacking demonstrations, IR walkthroughs, honest discussions about what works and what doesn't work in cybersecurity. And it isn't just theoretical content. This is what actually happens when organizations get breached, and they walk you through that. So John Strand and the rest of the Black Hills team have decades of real world experience, and they share that knowledge absolutely freely. Occasionally, I even show up on their channel when I'm invited. It's super dope. You'll learn about tools, techniques that you won't find in textbooks. Plus, they're honest about the challenges in cybersecurity, their budget constraints, the organizational politics, the technical limitations. Their perspective is invaluable as you build your career and understand like what real corporate InfoSec looks like. So if you want to understand how cybersecurity actually works in an enterprise, Black Hills gives you that insider perspective. So let's put it all together, okay? 9 YouTube channels that collectively provide better cybersecurity education than a lot of college degree programs. Professor Messer for foundational learning. Network Chuck for practical applied learning. John Hammond for analytical thinking and problem solving. Simply Cyber for career strategy and business skills. The Cyber Mentor for ethical hacking methodologies. Live Overflow for deep technical understanding. Hackersploit for structured penetration training. David Bombal for network and security automation, and Black Hills for real world perspective. I think that this is actually a nice complementary bundle of channels. And the way to use these channels, don't try to watch everything at once, okay? Pick your starting point based on where you are in your career journey. If you need fundamentals, go to Professor Messer. If you want to, level up your career and get in that way, check out Simply Cyber, right? Just pick the one that works for you. The key is to be strategic about your learning path and actually put in the work to practice what these channels teach you as well. Now, these channels will give you incredible free education, but if you want more structured and community support for your cybersecurity journey, that's exactly what we provide at Simply Cyber Academy. Our courses at Simply Cyber Academy take the best elements from all these educational approaches and organize them into clear career paths. Whether you're into GRC or penetration testing, we provide roadmaps and community to get you there faster. Plus, you get access to our amazing Discord community that has thousands of active cyber professionals who are engaged in there, all supporting each other. We're all about support, inclusion, and empowering you to be successful. So start with the free channels first. Obviously, that's the whole point of this video, is to give you this tailored, curated list of incredible YouTube cybersecurity channels so you don't have to pay anything. Build that foundation up. See what area of cybersecurity excites you. And then if you want extra structure and extra support and extra learning, then come to the Academy and check it out. All the channels that I mentioned are linked in the description below. And what I want you to do is pick one channel from the list. Subscribe to it right now. Don't just bookmark the video. Take action, okay? Drop a comment. Let me know which channel you like, or if I missed one that you think is valuable for viewers, put it in the comments and link to it, okay? We're here to share. It takes a village. Simply Cyber is a community all about support, people on their learning journey, and that's how we're gonna do it, okay? And if this video helped you create a strategic learning plan for your cybersecurity education, tell a friend. Thanks so much for checking out. We'll see you in the next one.